Acumatica Fixed Assets streamlines asset management with deep financial integration, multiple books, comprehensive depreciation, robust compliance, and extensive reporting. The cloud-native scalable solution is the perfect choice for growing small and mid-sized businesses. Take total control over your fixed assets lifecycle. Purchase and acquire assets. Convert acquisitions to records in the fixed asset module. Reconcile asset costs to the historical transactions. Activate the asset and begin depreciation. Dispose of assets. Asset books let companies manage asset costs and depreciation across multiple scenarios. For example, financial reporting, taxes, or international depreciation rules, to name a few. Create custom asset types or use one of the predefined types provided in the system, like land, buildings, machinery, computers, fixtures, and more. Use asset classes during asset setup to apply default settings automatically. These settings include asset type, depreciation method, useful life, averaging convention, and ledger integration, helping ensure consistency and accuracy. Streamline financial workflows to align asset categories with their corresponding property, plant, and equipment ledger accounts for accurate and consistent reporting. Asset preferences allow organizations to control system behavior, establish ledger accounts for purchases and proceeds from asset sales, specify the visible depreciation book, configure posting setting, and more. Ensure accuracy and control at every stage of the asset lifecycle with real-time updates that keep your asset data accurate, compliant, and audit-ready. Use the pre-configured import spreadsheet to quickly migrate asset data to Acumatica and minimize disruption. Purchase fixed assets through the purchasing or accounts payable modules for subsequent onboarding into the fixed asset module. Convert purchase accruals into asset records into the fixed asset module and preserve the asset's transaction history, ensuring a reliable audit trail. You can increase the cost of an asset by adding additional purchases or manual adjustments journal and reconciling the transactions to the asset record. You can also decrease the cost of an asset with a debit adjustment or a manual adjustment journal and reconciling the transactions to the asset record. Acumatica streamlines bulk purchases of transaction lines with multiple quantities into unique fixed asset records. Empower users with an intelligent reconciliation engine that identifies missing or duplicate entries, validates asset costs against historical transaction, and ensures data integrity across the system. Managing capital projects in Acumatica is a breeze. Accumulate and track project costs for materials, labor, and overhead in real time for enhanced budget control that keeps your financials aligned throughout the construction process. When complete, activate the asset to commence depreciation. In addition to creating and depreciating assets, Acumatica seamlessly handles less frequent transactions. For example, transfers of assets between companies, departments, locations, or classes, either individually or in bulk. Or split an asset into multiple assets to sell or discard a portion of it. Or dispose of an asset due to wear and tear, obsolescence, theft, or other reasons. In each situation, Acumatica dynamically reflects the change in value and creates the required general ledger transactions. Take full control over your fixed assets. Depreciate assets individually, by book, asset class, or parent asset using the depreciation method assigned to the asset. Perform depreciation monthly, mid-period, quarterly, annually, or when disposing of an asset. The system will automatically catch up or slow down depreciation for changes to an asset's cost, useful life, or salvage value. Depreciation is automatically recorded in the general ledger, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Gain a 360-degree view of your fixed asset with numerous reports and inquiries. Access detailed insights such as balance reports by account, asset classes, asset costs, reports for additions or subtractions, disposals, reconciliation, depreciation schedules, and more. Acumatica Fixed Assets provides a flexible and scalable solution that adapts to the way your organization operates. Easily manage multiple asset books, calendars, and classes. apply customizable depreciation methods, and access a wide range of standard reports, all within an audit-ready environment. Contact us today for a personalized demonstration.